Hello, today we're going to be talking about what soil is made of. Soil is made up of many different layers. They are called soil horizons, but collectively they are known as a soil profile. The horizons are usually parallel to the surface. Each horizon has a distinct look to it and is made up of many different materials that play an important role in the use of soil. There are many different factors that affect the development of a soil profile. Factors such as climate, parent material, topography, organisms, and time. There are typically 6 different layers, which starts with R, C, B, E, A, and O. There are 5 mineral layers and 1 organic layer. The 5 mineral layers are R through A, and O is the only organic layer. Today I will tell you about the different horizons, what their names are, what they consist of. I will be using this picture, and I also made a soil profile using food. Our horizon, which is down here, is also called as bedrock. It forms the outside layer of Earth's crust. It is made up of pure rock. It's usually made up of granite, basalt, quartzite, limestone, or sandstone. It will form parent material for certain soils if this horizon is close enough to the surface to be weathered, and that usually happens due to earthquakes. There's no organic material and no root nutrients. Next is the sea horizon. It's called regolith or parent material. It comes from the Greek word regos, which means cover in a blanket, and the word lithos, which means stone. It is formed of slightly unbroken rock. It contains a small amount of organic matter. There's no plant roots. Soil starts to be developed here. It is a mineral layer, and it has little change from the original parent material. It typically resembles the E horizon, which is a horizon up here. Next is the B horizon, which is called subsoil. This contains clay and mineral deposits. Because of minerals, ions, and particles being alluviated, it forms a dense layer. We start to see more organic matter. It is lighter than the layers above it. It is rich in leached minerals, forcing roots to grow down into this layer. Roots going into this horizon will allow for a better established root system. It is material that is accumulated from horizons A and E. Colors vary from red to yellow. It is directly affected by water movement. It is located closer to the surface in areas with less rainfall. Next we have the E horizon, which is either alluviation layer or alluviated. It is leached of clay minerals and organic matter. It contains sand and silt particles. It's missing in some soils, but is often found in other older soils and forest soils. It was formerly referred to as the A2 horizon, and it will always be directly above the B horizon. Next we have the A horizon, which is also known as topsoil. It is located just below the O horizon. It consists of materials and decomposed organic matter. It's approximately less than 20% by weight in organic matter. It's dark in color. Layer is rich in many plant roots. It is good for plants and other organisms to live in. Organisms such as bacteria, fungi, help keep the decaying process active. It is rich in nutrients. It contains moisture trapped in small, open underground pockets. It's actively used for gardening, sodding crops, and other activities. Next, we have the O horizon, which is here. It is the very top layer of soil made up of living, decomposed materials, such as plant leaves and bugs. It's usually dark and can be very thin or thick, depending on where it's located. It's not present in all soils. It helps maintain good soil structure and provides nutrients. It also helps improve the retention of soil moisture. And then in my profile here, I have some grass and worms. Thank you.